Hey guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to another unboxing of a new product, for me at least. This product has been out for a little bit. It's actually called ZeroLemon. Now, for those of you who do not know it, it's basically a extra power battery pack for your phone. It does clip in with it. I did again purchase this from Amazon, so just letting everyone know, all my reviews for now are not sponsored videos or anything. I purchased it with my own money. And you can get this for a fair and reasonable price. I believe it was around $50 or $60. Don't quote me on that, but it's there on Amazon. It is called the SlimJuicer. Now, ZeroLemon, it's for the iPhone 13, 13 Pro. It is 5,000 milliamp batteries. Now, it's actually called a SlimJuicer. They do have a more hefty one. Now, the reason I didn't buy that one too, it's a lot thicker in your phone. So again, as you can see, it's not open at all. So this first unboxing that you guys will be sharing with me. So they basically, a lot of advertisements here, Snapchat, I believe, Instagram, Pinterest. It's a beautiful day, by the way. Hope everyone is enjoying. And again, thanks for viewing this video. And again, if you have not viewed any of my other videos as well, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified when I do post new videos on unboxings and other reviews. So let's go into it. So just here really quickly, it does say for maintenance, perform 5 to 6 full recharges and discharges for the new battery to make it to get to its optimal state. They do have a 100% ZeroLemon promise. Now again, just with the name ZeroLemon, as you guys all know, lemons are never good. But when life throws you lemons, let's make lemonades. Or lemonade, I should say. So there we go. That's nothing else in here. Just clear. A lot of safety, so safety precautions: do not heat, do not deform it, do not take it apart. Now, most of us won't take apart batteries anyways. They do recommend using the original charger that came with it, so we'll see what comes with it first. But I do have a lot of spares hanging around, I know that. So let's see. Okay, nothing else in the box. Seems pretty simple. Case actually doesn't seem that thick. Again, reason I bought this was because the battery health in my current iPhone is around 88% battery health, which honestly I might get Apple to replace with my Apple Care, just because I've only had the phone for a little less than a year and it's down to 88, which doesn't seem normal. So what do they have here? Weekly giveaways. Scan that, I believe. Sorry, I'm just throwing things out there. Simple instruction manual. This is a TPU case, so just letting you guys know, TPU, it's soft. It's actually not hard, I believe. I don't know if you guys know Mophie, but Mophie used to have cases like this too, where you'd snap up the top, slide the phone in, and then clip it back in, and that works. So here, simple instructions actually. We'll go through this first, sorry. Good thing with this, it actually does come with a tempered glass screen protector wipe, accessories. I already have mine, which is cracked actually. So I might install that one later on. So quick instructions here. Bend the top of the case, put the phone in, slide it in. Ensure the phone jack here slips in, and this assembly basically do the opposite. 5,000 milliamps. Oh, and the good thing, it is actually wireless charging capable. That's actually the reason why I got it as well. This is the battery. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds, turn it on and off. I think if it's just a quick press, it might tell you. Let's see if it's on right now. 3 bars, there's 4, so I believe that's around 75%. If they go that way with 100%. Okay, so that's it. So let's go ahead and try it. So the phone here, They said bend the case back, but I'm just gonna try it myself. So slip the phone in, make sure charging port is there, and clip it in. There you go. Now that's actually not too fat. I would use this probably when I know I'm gonna have a long day at work or going out somewhere. Not because I'm gonna have it all day. Just because it is a little on the thick side. And it's not gonna be fun in the pocket, I'm sure. But anyways, let's test it. So as you can see there, not charging so far. So let me hold it down. Turn it on and boom, charging. Beauty. Well, that's really it. I mean, other than that, the speaker ports, speaker holds, mic's not there. This just charges the case and the phone together. If you plug it in, everything's still accessible. Again, my clickiness word, it's really not hindered at all. Works perfectly fine. All right, well, that's basically it for the unboxing. Thanks again for looking at this. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And have a great rest of your day, everyone. Take care. Bye.